Hello folks, hope you're having a good day. I just wanted to show you what's going on. It's December the 30th, 2021, right before the new year. Florida, Zone 9B. Here's the green beans. Now, we're going to check for some nematode damage because I'm not convinced that this is winter damage here. So we've had such a mild winter. It hasn't even dropped below 55 on any of these days. So what I'll do is find a junk vine and let's dig. Let's see what we have here. Well, I see no nematode damage there. When you look for nematode damage, you have to find big knots on the roots that constrict the flow of nutrients. Now this looks like it could kind of be right there, but I can't be certain on that because it's so close to the main stalk that, I mean, it doesn't feel like nematode damage. Let's look at a couple more. Oh, there we go. This is definitely nematodes. You see what I'm talking about here? See that on there? This is nematode damage. And I'm thinking that that's choking these guys off. Yeah, so we found some that look like they may have nematodes and ones that definitely have nematodes. So going forward, I'm going to go ahead and put a bunch of shrimp shells underneath there because they have a chemical compound called chitin in it that causes the eggs of the nematodes to hatch prematurely, and so they can't expand their population that way. But also, if they get exposed to enough chitin, their shells will crack and they will die that way. So anyhow, thanks for watching. I'm going to harvest these beans and plant them well, pretty soon here because it has been such a mild winter that, you know, I think we could get away with planting everything pretty much right now in December 2021. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.